Interestingly, after the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, we started getting some confirmed news regarding the Z Fold 5, and even some initial renders of Fold 5 are out. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe. If we talk about the first look of Galaxy Fold 5, as per these renders, it looks quite the same as Fold 4, not the Fold 3, as the bezels on the outer display looks thinner. Also, and if you notice the phone is flat folded, which means this is how the new Galaxy Fold 5 will look like with the new water drop hinge design, as there will be no gap when the phone is folded. If you get this new hinge design, the Fold 5 will be thinner than the Fold 4, as we cannot judge the phone thickness just by seeing the renders, but as per previous reports, the new hinge on the Fold 5 will be around 13.8mm and Fold 4 was about at 15.8mm. On paper, this is not a big difference, but it will when you will hold a new Fold 5. And let me know in the comments what features do you want to see in the Fold 5. Samsung started testing the new hinge design on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and as per Korean media, Galaxy Z Fold 5 new hinge would stand a 200,000 fold test. And if you talk about the limit, it will be around 300,000 fold. Samsung also hopes to get about 85% of a hinge strength after 200,000 tests, which means we are going to get big numbers in the folding test on the Fold 5. Interestingly, the folding test is way less than what we get on the Oppo Find N2 and Find N2 Flip, which are around 400,000. One thing that Samsung is doing different, and which is why everyone goes for Samsung, is its waterproofing technology. Yes, this new hinge design will be waterproofed and will come with IPX8 rating. From Fold 3 we started getting this rating, and Samsung wants to continue with the Fold 5. Samsung already tested this hinge and patented this back in 2016, hold it for this long just to make it waterproof. There's one thing that is left unchanged from Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, is that Fold 5 will come with the same processor. As per recent reports, we have started getting Geekbench score for the Snapdragon Gen 3, and there is not 8 Plus Gen 2, as Qualcomm is about to launch 8 Gen 3 a bit earlier. Also, the new release will be in Q4, so there is no chance we are going to get 8 Plus Gen 2, as we already have overclocked Snapdragon Gen 2 on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see Galaxy S23 Ultra new issues, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.